you have to remember that the most important skill in networking is listening. Not just talking, but listening. And in many cases, you'll remember this, listen with your eyes. If you've got eye contact and you're watching people, you will see that the man behind the camera is getting a little bit bored, so I need to increase the pace because I've noticed his expression. Keep eye contact. Listen to people. I often suggest people play the you game, which is, if I'm coming to talk to you, I'm going to decide beforehand, I'll talk 20% of the time, but I want you to talk for 80% of the time. Now, who's the most important person in the world? You are, yes? So, if I've had the good sense to spend a lot of time asking you questions, listening, showing interest in you, you'll go away thinking that I'm really a great, very perceptive person. You know virtually nothing about me, other than I have the good sense to be interested in you. So showing interest in other people. Ivan Meisner of BNI will always say, ask the question, how can I help you? It's offering help, it's being there not to sell to people. And building a network takes time. You pick up contacts, you make contacts. If you promise you'll ring somebody or send them an email, do. Because you have to honor your promise and your word. But listening is the key thing. Asking questions, showing interest in other people. And it does help, in case you run into someone really interesting that you want to talk to for the next half hour, that you've set a goal, how many new people you're going to meet on that occasion. Will that do, Mr. Filmmaster? Have you got enough to go?
That's amazing.